Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to Cheese of the Week, which means
On
that
Monday.
It must... I'm sorry, did you just like talk all over me?
Sorry.
Which means that it must be Thursday, because every Thursday we find an exciting new cheese that we've never eaten before, and we taste it and we share our findings with you, because cheese is one of the ways that you can seriously up delicious your keto, because there's a million cheeses out there and they're all a bit different. So if you've got in a rut with your cheddar and your mozzarella, it's time to go and forage in your grocery store or your farmer's market or your deli and find some exciting new cheese to try.
Agreed.
And today we went foraging. I don't remember where we got this, but we went foraging in, I think it was northeastern Connecticut. And, or no, maybe it was Litchfield, because it says Arethusa Farm Litchfield on the packet.
It might have been Litchfield.
Anyway, we've been doing the hashtag Sunday Drive and going to visit lots of pretty little New England villages. And while we've been doing that, we found lots of cheese. And this one is called Crybaby. And I don't know why, but it is. And it's a Connecticut artisan cheese. It is buttery and sweet. Crybaby features a subtle nutty aroma while delivering that unique Swiss cheese bite. So it's made in Litchfield, Connecticut, which is in the top left-hand corner. Very, very nice little village. And now we're going to try this.
It was a
Crybaby.
very cool village.
And I didn't open it.
No. Which means I better. Ooh, she got into that one quick this time. She's getting better.
I just needed a break, that was it. So here we go. Arethusa Farms Crybaby. I'm going to use my new cheese knife, which we purchased in Grafton, Vermont.
That has a cheese factory.
Should I cut the little rindy bit off?
Yeah, probably. It's probably not edible. All right.
I love Swiss cheese, so I'm excited for this one.
Ready? Cheers. Oh. Okay.
Cheers, big ears.
Hey.
Well, now you've lost 80 pounds, your ears seem, bigger now because your face has shrunk and your neck's shrunk, and you no longer have a big roll of neck fat.
She called me a fat neck.
No, I didn't.
You heard her.
No, you didn't. I didn't say that. This is lovely.
It is. There's like a sweetness to it.
Buttery and sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Subtle, nutty aroma.
I will say it's subtle. You like this is a cheese that you really want to kind of like take a moment to savor, because if you eat it too quick, you're not going to get any of the flavor. Yeah.
A bit like Grafton, the village. Blink and you miss it.
Mm-hmm.
I like this one a lot. I like Swiss cheese though. I like the texture of Swiss cheese.
Yeah. I love the way Swiss cheese melts.
Swiss cheese with a bit of oomph, but a very subtle, sweet oomph.
Yeah. You know, a lot of times I say what a cheese would go well with on the videos, but this one I think probably best eaten by itself, because the flavor is so subtle that if you put it with anything else, you're going to lose any kind of those subtle sweet notes or anything like that. It's going to go away. I might have thought maybe, like a mushroom Swiss burger, but there'd be too much stuff going on and you just totally lose that flavor.
Maybe one of my almond crunch crackers
That might be good.
from the Keto for the Holidays cookbook.
Yeah. That
Plain
might,
enough. It would be nice with a little crunch though. It would create a nice juxtaposition between the smoothness of the cheese and the crunch of the cracker.
yeah, the texture, adding a little texture to it definitely would be good.
Delicious!
It is really good.
Yum! Okay then. That's our cheese of the week from Arethusa Farm in Litchfield, Connecticut. Crybaby.
Did you read the ingredients?
Oh, I did not. Ingredients: pasteurized cow milk, salt, rennet, and cultures. Keep refrigerated.
Good to know. We got to keep it refrigerated.
That's it then.
All right, everybody. I'll see you on the next cheese of the week.
Happy cheesing!
Is that a thing?
It is now.
Okay.